it's a realization that seems to be setting in amongst policymakers that yes, decision making is clumsy, and the fact that you need to speed up things. At the same time, there is a sense that given the recent political environment, way too many scams, there is a fear psychosis among bureaucrats in terms of taking decisions. And we've been talking to a number of people who just feel that things simply don't move given the environment that seems to have set in. Now, is that a very dangerous trend as well?
Shweta, I'm agreeing with that. That is a concern. And I'm putting on my two hats, my previous hat and this one back and forth I'm doing. And even when I was doing my previous job, I would stress that that's extremely important. But here is the hopeful side. Talk to all top policymakers, including bureaucrats. They all individually understand this problem.
Right.
If that was not understood, if people said, no, we are doing as efficiently as any bureaucracy could, it would be hopeless. But talk to the top bureaucrats, top political leaders, they all understand. So I feel that intention is there. So the moves that you're beginning to see are moves in a direction where the country realizes, the top brass realizes that there has to be changes. So yes, these slow bureaucratic decision makings do handicap in India, but I feel the will is beginning to build up. So some hope for the country on that as well.
We were talking about reforms, and I'd like to now move forward and talk about FDI and multi-brand retail. I know the country's too much time and attention was actually spent on one reform, which many say may not reap the kind of benefits as was being made out to be, but was important to send that signal that this government can take some tough, bold decisions. Given the fact that the government has won that very critical vote in Parliament, do you think it's going to send out the right signal to foreign investors?
I think so. I had worked very hard on this during my time in government, and I feel very pleased about it. At the same time, we should not lose sight of proportions. In the pecking order of reforms, it's not the biggest thing.
So do you think there was too much time and attention given to it?
No. At the same time, I was going to say it's a signal.
Okay.
And it's a very important signal. So in itself, it's important, but not dramatically important. But as a signal, it is extremely important. And the side of it which does not get enough stress, but I actually have talked about it several times. We talk about the price at the farm gate, what farmers get, and the price that consumers pay. That gap is very large, and a modern retail sector is going to lower this gap. Right. That's an important benefit, and that's being talked about by everyone. Some are disputing it, some are agreeing. But there's another benefit which people forget. Once a big international corporation comes and operates in India, it's also a corridor for sending goods out of India to the rest of the world. Right. A small producer producing something in a cubby hole in Bombay, Delhi or Calcutta, who wouldn't even know where to start to send his or her goods to Malaysia, to Europe, to USA, can begin to use these corridors to send their goods out. We have seen this happen in Indonesia. We have seen this happen in China, that small exporters begin to send their goods out through these very vehicles that have come into the country. So I think the potential is actually very large, and so the fight was worth it. And that it has happened, I think is just very, very good for India.
So you're saying that the benefits are immense, and some actually say that both the fears and the benefits are perhaps overstated. So both the sides are overstating their position. Is that the case? Because obviously it ended up in being such a big fight, you know.
In a debate, you end up overstating. It tends to happen. Both sides, in order to win the debate, you begin to overstate your points. But yes, so I'm again warning that this is not a panacea. It's not that this itself will cure everything. But it's a move in the right direction. It has given the right signals, and it can do a lot to small producers in India waiting to export their goods to the world where the prices are much higher, and that can be extremely beneficial for the country.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.